Welcome back to our Lean Revolution saga. Chapter 1. Prologue. The morning after. The revelation. Discovery consists of looking at the same thing as everyone else and thinking something different. Albert St. Georgi. That morning, when I tried to talk Lean to Google, I woke up with the image of yesterday's green truck in my mind. I clearly saw the word waste on its side. Wait a minute, I thought. Waste is the stuff with which lean systems deal. Lean, lean, lean. I kept on reciting in my mind over and over. That was the moment when I ran to the office to search for lean management systems. A light bulb went on in my head. I realized that the lean methods are the solution for all those companies suffering from their over-documented systems. Long and wordy procedures, duplications, archaisms, and clutter. I have to tell them that I found the solution. I spent hours and hours scrutinizing my first findings that showed very few services on lean methods for quality, environmental, safety, and other ISO management systems. A minimal number of companies offering these services proved to be true. Soon I found yet another indication that Lean for management systems was not in demand. Lean ISO-related domain names were available in abundance. It was an open season on names for Lean management systems. The options were countless. LeanISO.com, Lean-ISO.com, LeanISOManagement.com, LeanISOManagementSystems.com, and on and on and on. I grabbed the domain name and called Sarah my website lady. We trashed my old website and made a new lean and beautiful one. I invite you to visit us at LeanISOManagementSystems.com. It's pretty cool if I say so myself. Thank you for listening, folks. This concludes our prologue. If you'd like to purchase a paperback or ebook copy, click the links below. Both are available on Amazon, and you can find the ebook on our website. Until next time.